Hi everyone, this is Jason. Today we're going to learn ceiling design skills. In this course, we will understand the design logic of ceilings and we can draw common ceiling types in our design tool. The course is divided into 4 parts. So first, I will demonstrate the entrance and interface for our ceiling editor. And then I will guide you through the steps for ceiling design using examples to illustrate each steps. And finally, I will give you an assignment for you to complete. So let's just get into our first part, the introduction of ceiling design edit. Okay, so we can just get into our edit first, click the ceiling editor and click it. So as you can see in this page, so no matter about the ceiling or floor or wall edit, they are all like the same design logic in this interface. Okay, so let's just make a quick introduction for this page. So as you can see on our left side, it's our catalog library. Okay, so the first one is our model catalog. You'll find different textures and different materials like the wall decoration for the patterns, for the color. So you can apply these materials on our ceiling. Okay, and also we can find with a buckle board, which are used in our bathroom and kitchen. Okay, so normally if you find a buckle board, you can just drag and drop in this area, then you can set them freely. But if you uncheck this box, like you want to just drag and paving here, it will pay for the whole area. Okay, so that's for this buckle board. Okay, and also we have some integrate wall panel, like you can find some with wood and other text patterns in here. And also we have different coding patterns to apply on the ceiling or on the walls. As for moldings, sometimes we use some corner molding or some baseboard or decorative moldings apply on the ceiling and in the corner. Okay, so that's for moldings. And also you can find the different appliance we need to apply on the ceiling and on the walls. Okay. As for lighting, you can find different type of light, like the spotlight, downlight, and track light on the ceiling. And as for second one is our enterprise catalog. If you upload your textures and materials and models on your back end, then you can find in here. Okay, as for the third one is our personal account. You can find your favorites, materials and textures. If you click these materials on the catalog, you can click these and add to your favorites. Okay, so it will show in here. So it's very easy if you collect these materials, so next time you can find it very convenient. Okay, so that's for the catalog, and also on top is our design tools. As you can see, the first one I have already mentioned, and the second, you can import the CAD files from AutoCAD. After you done the design in AutoCAD, you can just import it. And also you can see with some drawing features like the straight line, you can just draw a straight line, and also with a curve line. Okay, and you can draw a double line with this feature. So that's for the line feature. Also, we can just draw with a rectangle and with a polygon. So you can click here, input number of edges, like I can put 8, and change the radius. So we can got a polygon with 8 edges. Okay, so that's for the polygon. And also we can draw a circle and with a oval. So that's the drawing feature. You can use these features to draw different shapes. And let's see the linear light. Okay, sometimes we will set some linear light on the top of ceiling, so make it very full style on the ceiling. Okay, and also we can click the linear light, change for its type, and also for its brightness, for its color, and for its size. Okay, so that's for linear light. And also we can just draw with the free lines. When you draw it, and after you finish it, you can see we can just add some moldings. Add some moldings like here, and we'll show with the molding on the floor, on the ceilings. Okay, So that's for this free line. And also we can find some assistive tools in here. Okay, we have the offset, which means you can just offset the distance from the edge. And we've got a rectangle like this. And also we have measures. You can click one point to another point, then we've got dimension in here. And also we have different layer setting. You can just hide these layers so you can show these lines clearly. Okay, so that's for the layers. And also we can just find this reference line. When you add guides from one side, you can drag a reference line from another side. Okay, so and also you can just clean it and hide it as you want. And let's see the next feature. It's the show grid. When you open it, you can see this area just divided into different unit. Okay, each unit you can change for its size, and it will change, and also you can choose for its start point. Okay, so it's normally used in for the tiles or the buckle board on the ceilings. Okay, and the last is our paving finish and molding finish, which means the material brush. You can just apply the materials from another area. Okay, so you can use these features to quickly apply with the materials. And also you can just save these as a template, so I can show you later. So that's the introduction for this basic. And we have a small navigator. So Slant logic in our floor plan design tool. You can just make a quick review in a 3D perspective view. Okay, and also for this small navigator, you can just click the wall. You can just click edit. Then we're getting to this wall edit very quickly. And also for floor. So that's the easiest way for you to switch into different design edit. Okay, so let's just continue our course. So let's see the design steps for the ceiling design. Okay, so first steps, if you draw an area, you need to use the reference line to mark the area first. Okay, and then we can draw the shape by using the different drawing features to create different shape. And then we can select elements, which means when you click the line, you can set with light strip and apply with different materials. And also you can change for its patterns and for its size. And also you can set types for these materials. Okay. And let's see the next is our case restoration. You can see in this case, we have the slant edge design. So the key operation for this setting is you need to find this angle of line. Okay, so we can find in our molding. And before I apply with this molding, we need to extrude it from our ceiling. So we can use the offset to extrude a little bit. Click the boundary and extrude for 300. And you can see in this area, we just extrude the boundary. And don't get missed about the extrusion part. So when you move your mouse to this area, it will turn with a dash point. Okay, so it's very important. Don't get mistake with the extrusion part. Okay, and then we need to apply with the angle line, right? So we can find in our moldings with the angle line. So you can see sometimes it's a little bit hard to find the moldings that you want. So if you find the molding that you like, you can add to your favorites. So next time you'll find it much more convenient. Okay. So it's also very hard for me to find. So I can just search it for its name. So this one, okay, right? Then don't forget collapse to your favorite. Okay. And we can just drag and drop in this area. So we will got this one, right? So that's for the angle of line. And also we can just change for this molding size. So we can just go to the section edit. You can see this area at the corner molding that will apply. Okay, we can click here and we can change for its size. And also you can just click it and change the angle. and the material for it. Okay, so that's the section edit. Then we can see in this edge, we just change for this molding, okay, size, for its size. And then we can click it. There is a duplicate, okay? We can duplicate and double click our left mouse. So you can see this edge setting just apply to the rest edge. Okay, so that's very convenient for you. If you change for one line, you can just duplicate and paste to the rest line. Okay, so that's for the first case. And we can just click it. Let's see the next case. So in this case, we have this linear light, okay, without a main light. So we can just use our linear light to create this shape. So you can use the reference line to mark the area, but I just want to show you very quick. So you can just draw like this and change for its properties, like change brightness and for its color. Okay, so that's for the linear light. And let's see the next case. As you can see, we have this curved ceiling on top. So the key operation is you need to find the chamfer feature to make a round corner. So we can just draw a rectangle like this and click this area. We have this one, chamfer. So you can see we have some different chamfer feature, like you can change the radius. Okay, and then we can extrude the boundary, right, like this. And also we have a light strip, okay, on the edge. So we can click the line and we can open this land belt. Okay, you can see the different land belt mode in this small navigator. You can see one is external, another is internal. So you can see the difference. And also you can just click the section edit. You can change for its light trough, okay, and also you can just uncheck it, and only with the light strip, okay. So hands on you and enter and confirm, and you can click this line, duplicate to the rest. So you can see in this small navigator, we just finish with this ceiling and with a light strip on top. Okay, so that's for this type. And we can see the next case. We have these multi-level ceilings. You can see we have some corner molding, decorate line on top, and also with another corner molding. So the key operation for this case is you need to draw the area for each levels and apply with different moldings for the shape. Okay, so we can just get into our design tool, cutting it, and we can create a curtain box. Okay, so we can leave some space for this side, and we can draw with a rectangle and use the offset feature. Then we can just select the boundary to extrude. Okay, so after we extrude, and also I want to draw for the decorative line in the middle, so we can use the offset feature to offset a little bit. And after we draw the shape, we need to apply with moldings, right? We can find moldings. So sometimes very hard to find it. I just want to find it from my account. Okay, so I can just apply with this one, and I can apply here. So you can see, and also want to change for its size. I can click the line and go to the section edit. I want to change for its size. Make it align with the thickness. And click down, and also click this line. I can duplicate with the rest. So I will add a corner line like this, okay, just as the case shows. And also I want to add a corner molding on the bottom, so I can find in our moldings. Okay, I can just maybe choose this one, and I want to apply on the bottom. So you can see in this small navigator, we have some problems on the curtain box side. You can see we're just missing this part. So you can see just suddenly how just getting to the curtain box space. So we need to fix this problem. We can just click this one and delete it, and click the rest edge, duplicate for this edge, then we apply with the right result. Okay, so that's the tips for if you with this problem. Okay, and I finished about this corner molding. I wanna find a decorative molding for this rectangle. I can find in decorative molding and find with a small one. Click here, apply, and also you can just click this molding and change it into a center molding. Also, you can change for its color in here. Okay, so click this line and I can duplicate for the rest. So as you can see in this small navigator, we just finished about this ceiling design. Okay, and also I want to add with some downlight. You can find it in lighting. Try to find with downlight, and I recommend you guys can use with the light with the glory one. Okay, that's better for rendering. So you can find with the glory one. Maybe this one you can just put in here first and make our and use our array feature. You can use the linear array, and also you can see we have the fixed quantity and fixed space. Want to change the quantity into 4, choose the first point to the next point. And then after finish about this, we can hold shift and select this lighting, add them to group, and also we can duplicate another edge. Okay, so that's for the ceiling design. We can make a quick review in here. Okay, and also in the end, we can save as a template. Okay, so next time you can find it very quickly. Click down and it will show with the process in this side. Just wait a second, and we'll get a template. Okay. So at the end of class, I want to make a small summary for the design steps for ceiling. So first, you need to draw the edge and set extrusion for the ceiling boundary. And you can click the line set with light strip. And also if you want to apply with the elevation material, you can go to the elevation setting. Okay, and you can also add corner line and decorative lines in the moldings and duplicate line to the rest. And also we can click with the chamfer to a round or fillet mold. Okay, and last, if you want to add some spotlight, downlight, you can use the array feature in different way. Okay, so that's the design steps for ceiling. And we have a small assignment for you guys. You can see in this case, we have a ceiling which are divided into 4 parts, which include a dining area and living room. So you need to use the right line molding to add with the right color, and also add with these corner moldings, decorative moldings, and add these downlight. Okay, and make this whole design with a coordinated and unified style. Okay, so that's the whole for today's class. I hope you guys enjoy my class. Thank you.